Hazrat Amr bin Maimuna reports that Hazrat Abdullah bin Masud radiyallahu anhu said, while Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam was performing the prayer in standing posture near the Kaaba, and a group of people of Quraysh was holding a meeting there. One of them said, "Do not you see this pretender? Who amongst you will go to the slaughterhouse of so and so people, fetch dung, blood, and tripe, then give time till when he prostrates himself, put it between his shoulders." The most wretched of the people fetched it, and when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam performed prostration, he put it, the tripe, etc., between his shoulders. But the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained in prostration. They started laughing so much so that they began to fall on one another. Someone went and informed Hazrat Fatima radiallahu anha, who was then a girl of tender age. So she came running, and the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam remained in prostration till she removed that from him. Then facing them, she started cursing them. When Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam finished his prayer, he sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control the Quraysh. O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control the Quraysh." Then he sallallahu alaihi wasallam uttered their names. "O Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, control Amr bin Hisham, Utbah bin Rabi'a, Shayba bin Rabi'a, Walid bin Utbah, Umayyah bin Khalaf, Uqba bin Abu Mu'ayt, and Umrah bin Walid." Hazrat Abdullah said, "By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I saw them defeated dead on the day of Ghazwa Badr. Then they were dragged and thrown into one of the wells of Badr. Afterwards, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'The people of this well have been cursed.'" Sahih Bukhari, Hadith number 520.